Hello and welcome to the lesson. In this quick lesson, we're going to be talking about terms, algebraic terms, or mathematical terms as we find them or use them in mathematics. So, we're going to just quickly refresh your knowledge about what they are, their characteristics, and different types of terms you'll come across. So, let's take a look at the notes. Then we'll come back and do some little more explanation. Term. What is a term in mathematics? A term is a single or an individual mathematical expression. A mathematical term can be any of the following. First one is a real number. Examples: -5, 3, 0.6, radical 7, etc. Next, a variable or symbol. Example: X, Y, Z, A, B, C, alpha, beta, theta, etc. Next, a combination, that is product or division of, of a real number, variable, or symbol. Examples: 2x, -5y, x over 7, 8 over x, 3 theta, 2 alpha, etc. A term can be characterized as: first, a constant or a polynomial. Example: 3 is a constant number. 2x is a polynomial. I would say, even though in this case it is a monomial, but it's in the polynomial group. X plus 1 is a binomial, but it's a polynomial. X squared, etc. Next, rational. Thus, a term can be characterized as a rational term. Examples: x over 5 is a rational number, or yes, rational expression or term. 3 over x squared is also a rational expression or term. X to the power of -1 is also a rational number or term, etc. Then, a term can also be trigonometric. Examples: sine theta, cos x, sine x, etc. All of them are trigonometric terms. Radical, that's radical term. Example: root of x, x to the power of 1 over 3, etc. All these are radical terms. Exponential. Example: that is where the variable is the exponent. 3 to the power x, a to the power x, b to the power y, etc. Logarithmic term. Example: log x, log y, and log x to the power n. All of them are log terms. Terms appear in mathematical expressions, equations, formulas, and the rest of them. Each term is usually separated by mathematical operators such as plus or minus sign. Therefore, we can generally characterize terms as the building blocks or bricks of all mathematical processes and operations. So in every mathematical operation or process, you will always find that there are terms in those processes that build the process. Okay, here we are. I don't want to repeat myself. So you can see what we have on the board. This is a linear equation, a standard form of a linear equation, and this is a standard form of a quadratic equation. This is a radical equation, and this is just a formula for the area of a circle. So in all these are terms. All these are algebraic terms, all of them. And you know what? Like we said, they form the building block or bricks of all the processes. For example, in this equation, these terms form the blocks of that equation. Same thing here, and same thing. This term here form the block of the formula. In addition, terms can come in different ways in algebraic or mathematical expressions. So, the most important thing to know is that the terms are usually separated by mathematical operators. You can see here, they are separated by these mathematical operators. Yes, and they come in different ways, combinations, and rest of them. So, we're going to be coming across them in many and different ways as we make progress. See you in the next video.